This Radiant collection features affordable wall-mounted towel warmers. Wrap yourself in a warm, cozy towel or bathrobe after every bath or shower. Prevent your towel from developing that gross, musty smell by drying it after every use and reducing how frequently you have to wash your towels. Choose between round or square bars as well as a shelf model, straight or curved horizontal bars. In a hardwired or plug-in variation, Amba has a style and size to fit all needs. Made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, they are offered in a variety of finishes including brushed, polished, matte black, and satin brass, and feature integrated on-off switches on the unit. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Pamper yourself with the ultimate luxury and comfort. Wrap yourself in warm, dry towels and bathrobes after every shower or bath. Never worry about a cold, damp, smelly towel again. Number 2. Primarily used in bathrooms to dry and warm towels, keeping them smelling fresher and cleaner longer and reducing laundry frequency. Number 3. 7 straight horizontal bars. All vertical and horizontal bars heat up, ideal for drying and warming one towel. Number 4. Offered in 4 different finishes: brushed, matte black, satin brass, and polished stainless steel. Made of 304 stainless steel, finish will not rust, chip, or flake. Number 5. Plug-in unit with the hardwired kit included. Integrated on-off switch, unit takes 10 to 15 minutes to heat. Additional time required to warm, dry towel: 60 watts, 0.5 amps, 110 volts, 2-year warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.